Hey there! Today I have another clothing rental subscription service to unbox, and this one is new to me, so this is my first time unboxing it, and it's the Infinite Style by Ann Taylor. Here's the box. This one is very similar to a couple of the other clothing rental subscription services that I do, like Haberdash and Infinitely Loft, but this one is Ann Taylor. So it is a little more expensive. The monthly fee is $95 versus Infinitely Loft is $65 and Haberdash is $60. And it works basically the same way, where you get a box of 3 items at a time, and you can keep turning it around for as many times as you can for 1 month. So usually for me, I've been getting 3 boxes, but I've heard from lurking on the Facebook groups for both Haberdash and Infinitely Loft that some people can actually get up to 5 boxes a month, depending on how aggressively you turn things around. But anyway, I'll put some information about how Infinite Style by Ann Taylor works along with my referral link down in the description box below. And yeah, but I'll go ahead and let's go ahead and see what I got. Here is the box, and it's very similar to the other services. This one says, "Our closet is your closet," and it says infinitestylebyantaylor.com. Our closet is your closet. Okay, and here's what the box looks like inside, and it has like a mustardy yellow interior. The Infinite Loft one is pink, and you have some information about the service. Here it is. Okay, and here is a peek at my bundle. So it's very fall-ish because it is fall. Oh, and you have a prepaid mailer to send all the items back when you're done wearing them. And you do have the option to buy everything out at a discount if you want to. Okay, so I actually was pretty impressed with how quickly they sent out my first box. I got this actually on Wednesday, and I think I had signed up for the service like last week Friday. So that's a pretty quick turnaround. And I noticed my first box is all priorities. So that's nice. I mean, usually I don't get all priorities from my other boxes. I'll usually get maybe like 1 priority or maybe 2, but all priorities is really nice. Although sometimes I'm not the best at picking. And the first item in my box is just a very basic blouse. I know this is kind of boring, right? But hey, everybody needs a white blouse like this, and I actually, believe it or not, don't have one with all the clothes that I have. This is just a beautiful Ann Taylor, well, it's polyester, it's not silk blouse, and it's, oh my gosh, that buyout price on this is $15.50. It's 80% off. But let's see that it fits. Okay, so this is the Petite V-neck blouse in winter white, and I got it in size petite medium. And yeah, $15.50. Wow. Okay, if this fits, I'm definitely gonna buy this because that's a good price. So yeah, it's just basic. It's V-neck with buttons in the front. These are covered buttons, and as far as I can tell, it looks okay. There's no stains or discolorations, and yeah, looks good. Very promising start. Okay, and next I got this dress. Isn't this a pretty color? I'm kind of getting into green. I like mustard and green, although pink is my favorite. And this one is the Petite Floral tie sleeve shift dress in green Eden. And yeah, I got a size 6 petite. And this one, the buyout price is 80% off retail and $21.50. That's a really good deal for this beautiful Ann Taylor dress, and it's such a pretty color. It's not lined, but the material is really on the thicker side, and it has pockets. And one thing I don't know about it, does have this kind of tie sleeve. I mean, it's cute. Zipper back, just a very nice quality Ann Taylor dress for $21.50. Wow. Okay, machine wash, yay. Okay, all right, and lastly, I got this blazer. Wow, this is nice. Okay, and this is the Petite Newberry blazer in plaid in navy, multi. and I got the size 6 Petite, and the buyout price on this one is $67.50, which represents a 60% off retail discount. Wow. So yeah, this is a very nice blazer. It's kind of more on the crop side, and it does feel kind of heavy. I'm not sure what it's made out of. Let's just check. It's fully lined. It's also machine washable. That's amazing. I used to think that Ann Taylor's stuff was all dry clean only for some reason. Okay, and this is 64% polyester, 34% rayon, 2% spandex. Interesting. So poly rayon spandex, and here I'll just show you real close up close what it looks like. Looks very formal. So yeah, as a whole, when I was scanning the Ann Taylor website, I noticed that a lot of it's a lot more businessy and professional than the Loft, which is to be expected because that's how those two stores work. So I think this is a really good service. Say if you do work in a more professional environment, there's a lot of options. I think I picked like this dress is probably one of the more casual looks. This blouse is, I think, a very good basic for somebody that's maybe a lawyer or something. I'm an accountant, right? But yeah, if you're like in a professional field, this would be a really good service. Okay, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is the first dress. And yeah, and this is a 6 Petite, and you'll notice that with the Petites, it's just like right above the knee. So I noticed with Ann Taylor, their dresses tend to be a little longer, so it's definitely more conservative than Loft. And yeah, and this one has pockets. It's just a really pretty dress. It's a shift style, so it's not like form-fitting or anything. The material, it's not lined, but it's definitely not see-through or anything. It's thicker. One thing I don't like about this dress is the ties. That's the only thing. It does make it hard to wear something over it. Like if you were to wear like a sweater, you would definitely see this peeking through or bumping out. And I tried it with a couple jackets. You definitely have to go with like a looser or maybe thicker jacket. But it is a really nice dress, and this one, the buyout price was only $21.50. Yeah, and also I just spent 20 minutes looking for this thing, but I finally found it under the dogs in between a seat cushion. Yeah, but anyway, this is the first dress from Infinite Style by Ann Taylor, and I think it's really cute. Okay, so here is the blouse. And yeah, I think this is actually a very classic blouse. The sleeves, I mean, I think they're okay. They're a little bit long, but not terrible. And you know, since I'm only 5'1", I do have some issues, especially getting a long sleeve blouse like this. So I think the sleeves are okay. And it is just kind of a basic white blouse. It doesn't look too sheer, so I didn't wear like a camisole. I was thinking about it, but I didn't. But I think it is just a nice basic. And so I just have it out so you can see how long it is, but it's probably something you could tuck in to, say, if you had like a pencil skirt. I think that would look really nice and very professional. It would be definitely something you could wear with a suit. So that's the blouse, and I'm gonna bring in the jacket to wear over it. Okay, so here is the blazer. And you'll see this is actually a crop blazer, so it looks actually kind of nice for me because I'm short. And I just have it paired with some dark wash Liverpool jeans. These are super dark. There's no distressing or fading or anything. And I think I got these from Mix and Match. And the same white blouse, and I just tucked it in. And I think this looks like a really nice outfit. Of course, it is more of a business casual outfit because of the jeans, but if you paired it with some navy slacks, I think that would look really good. Because yeah, this is navy. You could probably also wear maybe this burgundy color, like a pencil skirt or something. That would look really cute. Yeah, this is a really nice blazer. Wow, so I'm actually really liking this Ann Taylor rental service. I didn't think I was gonna like it that much. I thought it's gonna be too professional, but the pieces are really nice. So anyway, yeah, so that's a try on. Okay, so wow, actually I was very impressed with this Infinite Style by Ann Taylor box, and everything I got I think was very good condition. It seemed pretty much like new, And these buyout prices are very, very tempting. I think I'm actually going to keep this white blouse for $15.50, just because I don't have a blouse like this, and it's just a nice basic, and $15.50, so that's 80% off. It is just like a polyester blouse, but yeah, I mean, I think it's a very nice addition to my wardrobe, just a very nice classic blouse. And this dress, this is a very, very cute dress, and I think it's probably 80% off because it's probably more of a summer dress, although the material is heavier than most summer dresses. But $21.50 is an excellent price, so we'll see. Yeah, the only thing I was a little concerned about are these knots here, because it does make it harder to wear like a cardigan over it, but I guess you could still pop on like a denim jacket or something maybe, and it would look okay. This jacket is beautiful, and I think the proportions, because it's more of a crop jacket, look better for me because I'm petite. But $67.50, that's still, you know, not the cheapest, but that is 60% off retail. So, and tailored prices do tend to be on the higher side. I'm gonna have to think about this, but I'll definitely wear it this week. I think it looked nice with the white blouse and some dark wash jeans. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video, and now I'm going to call one of my 2 furry companions to help me say goodbye. And let's see who it's gonna be. Kaya, let's say Kaya. Come here, come Kaya. And here's cute little Kaya. And our weather actually has gotten cooler in the last couple days, so let's hope it lasts. Yeah, because it's been so hot and humid. Honestly, today was, I think, noticeably cooler than usual when I was walking them this morning. But also, Kaya has a brand new collar. I'll show it to you. I think it's really cute. Can you see it? There. It's pink and floral, and I found it on Etsy, and it has like a rose gold buckle. So yeah, it's cute. I could have gotten it engraved. I probably should have, but I wasn't sure how good it was, so I didn't want to spend extra money, but I should have. I regret it now. But anyway, that's all I have for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. Say bye.